Dear students, in this class, we are going to learn about blood vessels. Blood vessels are a network of branched tubes that transport blood. In our body, there are three types of blood vessels, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. First, we can see about these arteries. Arteries are thick and elastic vessels that carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. Arteries carry blood from heart to other parts, to various organs of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to other parts. They carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. So, except this pulmonary artery, all the arteries carry oxygenated blood. Next, about the veins. Veins are thin and non elastic vessels that transport blood to the heart from different organs of the body. So, from different parts of the body, the veins collect the deoxygenated blood and it will bring to the heart. So they transport blood to the heart from the different organs. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs. So, except this pulmonary vein, all the veins are carrying deoxygenated blood. Third one is capillaries. Capillaries are narrow tubes formed by the branching of arterioles, which then unite to form the venules and veins. The aorta, the largest artery, divides into artery, then artery into arterioles. Arterioles divides into capillaries. Capillaries supply oxygen to the tissues. So they supply oxygen and food to the tissue. Then again they collect the carbon dioxide and nitrogenous waste from the tissue. So they unite to form the venule. The venules will unite to form the veins. The veins further into vena cava. Capillaries are about 8 millimicron in diameter. So they are very thin walled. It is made up of single layer of endothelium. For example, artery is made up of four layers: endothelium, elastic tissue, smooth muscles, and fibrous tissue. Its thickness is diameter is 4 millimeter, while these capillaries only 8 millimicron, and it is made up of only endothelium cells. Next one is what are the differences between artery and vein. Artery is a distributing vessel. It distributes blood from heart to other parts, while vein collect deoxygenated blood from other parts of the body to the heart. Second one, artery is red in color, vein is blue in color. Third point, arteries are deeply located while veins are superficial in location. Artery blood flow with high pressure. it has to supply blood to all the parts of the body, so heart pump the blood with some force. So in artery blood flow with high pressure, but in vein from all parts of the body blood returns slowly with less pressure. Fifth difference, wall of artery is strong, thick and elastic, while vein wall of vein is weak, thin and non-elastic. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Except this pulmonary artery, all the arteries carry oxygenated blood. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from the heart, from the lungs. And last point, internal valves are absent in artery, while in vein internal valves are present in order to prevent the backflow of blood. They are having these valves. Valves prevent the backflow of blood. Thank you.